Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have Cardano ADA daily update. We are going to see the price targets we have for the short and midterm, and of course before we begin, join the monthly subscription to get easy profits with automated signal, not only buying opportunities but selling opportunities as well. You will know exactly when to sell and when to buy your altcoins. Also, you will get educational videos and personal guidance. Check it out, buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto. You will find the link in the description down below. You will also find the link for the Telegram group chat, and hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. So what do we have here for ADA? We have higher lows, you can see the pattern, and almost the same highs. Triple top right here for Cardano, and we want to see whether we can go above the 1.40 or not. I personally believe we can do it easily, guys. Of course, we have some major support levels, 1.31, 1.25, 1.21 in case we correct a little bit, but for now we are looking very good. The MACD is dropping a little bit while the price is going higher. You can see that we have higher lows with the price and lower highs with the MACD. That is good. That shows, guys, that the coin has strength, the strength needed to go above, okay, upwards above the 1.40 Tether USD. So let's go to ADA Tether USD in the 4-hour frame, but we will see right now the RSI, the Commodity Channel Index, and the Stochastic RSI. We will start with the RSI. We are between 30 and 70. Of course, we can go even higher. We have a lower high pattern though. You can see the lower high pattern we have formed and the lower low. What we want now is to just go above the previous high we had here, and of course go all the way upwards. That's what we want to see for ADA in the USDT, for on the 4-hour frame, guys, for the RSI, and for the Commodity Channel Index as well, to just get off the lower highs and go even higher right now. That's what we want to avoid, to see the lower high pattern right here for the Commodity Channel Index and the higher high we had on the ADA. That's why we want to go upwards. Okay, for the Stochastic RSI, we are in between 20 and 80. We don't have any overbought or any oversold situation for any of the risk metrics. We just want to stop seeing the lower highs on the RSI and on the Commodity Channel Index. The 20-day EMA is very good. It is above the 50-day EMA, and we are finding the 50-day EMA almost as support level. You can see here, back on the days we just bounced off above the 50-day EMA, potential moving average. Let's go a little bit to ADA USDT in the daily frame. And you can see, guys, that on the daily frame, we are near the top line of the Bollinger Bands. In a normal market, when we approach the top line of the Bollinger Bands, we usually go down. Okay, we usually go down, but of course, guys, we have a little bit of a risk right here on the daily frame for ADA, but if Bitcoin goes upwards as well, I believe ADA can go even higher for sure, and it can follow the Bitcoin trend. You can see on an extreme bearish market, the opposite happens. On an extreme bearish market, we just follow the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands and we go along the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. Same when we have an impulsive wave. Actually, the opposite when we have an impulsive wave, when we just go along the top line of the extreme bearish market, we go along the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. And you can see that now we are in the top line of the Bollinger Bands for Cardano. If this is a normal market, guys, we might be going and correcting a little bit on the daily frame, but nothing important. Okay, so according to the SSL hybrid, if I open it, you will notice that we had a buying opportunity here and not a selling opportunity yet, because we need to see a red arrow in order to sort our position. When we see a red arrow like this, then we sell our position. When we see a blue arrow like this, then we buy according to the SSL hybrid. A nice indicator, but it has some flaws, including the selling opportunities. When we have the red arrows, it is usually not so good, all right, because it doesn't find the top. Okay, so you can see that according to the daily frame, we have an overbought situation for the Commodity Channel Index, not an overbought situation for the RSI, and of course, according to the Stochastic RSI, we have an overbought situation on the daily frame. Okay, so yeah, we have to be a little bit careful in case we have a Bitcoin crash, yes, we can go down, but it doesn't seem like Bitcoin wants to go so easily down as well. All right, let's see a little bit the MACD actually, no, the MACD before we go to the next way, the Bitcoin chart. And you can see on the MACD, it looks very, very good. We had a bullish cross right here. We have the blue line staying above the signal line, the orange line. Okay, so it is very, very nice. Let's go to ADA Bitcoin chart right now on the 4-hour frame. We outperform Bitcoin. That's why we are going all the way upwards, guys. We could outperform Bitcoin, and therefore let's see a little bit the support levels in case you have not seen them yet. So we have some support levels going on. The first one is the 0.236 around this price label right here, the 0.4034, and we have some support levels going on for there if we are about to drop, because you can see the commodity channel index was in an overbought. The RSI was in an overbought as well. So right there, what we want to see now for ADA Bitcoin chart is not fall all the way down. If we do that, this won't be good. We want to see another swing high upwards. Yes, we had a high risk, and if this is a normal market, you should be a little bit careful. Okay, for ADA Bitcoin chart, let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, we are looking good. We have only the stochastic RSI above the 80 in an overbought situation. The RSI is not, but it has some lower highs, as you can see here, and the commodity channel index is not as well. It is not in an overbought situation, although we don't want to see something like this going on for ADA. Same for the RSI. We don't want to see something like this at all. Okay, so we expected ADA to outperform Bitcoin because we had an oversold situation on the daily frame for the RSI. Therefore, it would be very, very good to outperform Bitcoin there. Okay, and of course, that's why ADA could go even higher from the bottom we formed back on 20 July. And you can see now we are battling to go even higher. What we want to see now is higher lows and the same highs, and eventually maybe we can go to 1.49. This will be better if Bitcoin goes up as well, because on the 4-hour frame, if you can see that Bitcoin is going into an oversold situation, it is near an oversold situation for the RSI. You can see the cat smiling right there with its ears, so everything is very good, guys. And the commodity channel index was in an oversold situation. Now it is not, but on the 4-hour frame we are good. On the daily frame though, we can correct more. Yeah, we can. If this is not, guys, something that we call an impulsive wave to keep us going on and on here for Bitcoin, and we go all the way down, this won't be good. This won't be good for Bitcoin, and it will mean that in the daily frame we might be going down even lower. But I don't think we will be going all the way down. I don't think we can crash for now. On the 4-hour frame, we stand pretty good, guys, for the Bitcoin. On the 4-hour frame, it is good, and we want to see a swing high in order to be sure that we will surpass the 1.40 for ADA. In case we drop down, you know the price support levels: 1.30, 1.25, 1.20, 1.16 to 17, right? This is the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, starting my Fibonacci from this bottom right here back on 20 July to the top we formed back on 26. After that, we couldn't surpass the top, and we want to see whether we can have some higher lows, guys, and of course higher highs pattern, and be able to break the 1.40 to go to the next price target, the 1.48. We have one more price target in between that I will draw by myself, which is, guys, the 1.45 for sure. And after that, I believe we can easily be going to 1.49 Tether USD, right? So this is the next price target for ADA. If Bitcoin goes upwards, guys, like we expect to do right here, not to crash all the way down, then yes, this will be very good. But we always should be careful. We can't be greedy on a bearish market, because, guys, yes, I know that Bitcoin had a very nice quick here swing high, but do not forget that we are still on a bearish market. If someone tells you we are in a bullish market, no, we are not. We are in a bearish market, but on a bullish cycle. The bullish cycle hasn't ended yet. However, right now we experience something bearish, and even if we had the swing high, we need to surpass some resistance levels in order to say that yes, we can go and say that we have kind of a bullish market before we go down, because my prediction for Bitcoin will stay, and I believe we can still go below the 28,000 USD, and we should be very, very careful. If you have some profits, book them now, but in overall, guys, I do not believe that we will be going down so fast now. Okay, I believe that Bitcoin has another swing high to give, and of course we can approach some higher resistance levels for now, and that's why I am optimistic into saying that we can go to 1.45 and 1.49 Tether USD for ADA. Okay, so these are the price support levels, and these are the next price targets. The RSI, the commodity channel index, and the stochastic RSI looks good. We can go even higher, although it would be perfect if we stop the lower high pattern right here and eventually go even higher, again above the 70. I do not want to see the RSI going all the way down. This would be a little bit catastrophic, and we would go down even to 1.20, I think. Although if we go so much down with the RSI, and of course the price stays around here, and we go into an oversold situation, this would be very, very good, because it shows that the coin has strength, and we can bounce off the 1.20 and go even higher. So we don't have to worry yet. Everything now, for now, looks fine. All right, so before we close the video, join the monthly subscription to get easy profits with automated selling and buying signals, guys. You will know exactly when to buy and when to sell, and join our Telegram group chat. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.